Friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. See 3 varieties of freehand painting. Click the ad for full video. Design a fabric painting and blade painting. I take order works for professional artworks. Those interested can join my online professional courses. I teach oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oragata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. Details are in this video and below this video in description. See my other videos for exclusive artworks. Fabric colors and medium number 1 and cotton cloth and brushes 6, 4 and 8. Freehand painting course book with notes and techniques. If interested, you can buy. More creative works, see my freehand painting live videos in my channel. This is a creative designer design which you can paint on sari pallu, borders and tops and dresses. You can also frame this and keep it as a home decor. Face I have taken burnt sienna and burnt umber. Chrysanthemum flowers I have taken ultramarine blue, purple, For leaves and stems I have taken sap green and light green. center of flowers I have taken lemon yellow. Pink flowers I have taken lemon yellow, golden yellow and orange. More such creative designs, see my live freehand painting videos in my channel. You can paint this design on sarees, dresses and tops. Now my second painting, I have taken fabric colors on the tile. You can take acrylics also. Now with blade I have taken the color and now you can paint on canvas or imported texture sheet. You can draw a sketch with pencil and then you can paint with blade. Drawing a face with the blade, I have taken burnt sienna color. I am painting a rose with the blade. These are my own creative designs. This is my third video of painting orchids. You are painting on sheet, apply water, then colors, then scratch with the back side of the brush. Painting on cloth, apply medium and make lines. I have taken crimson and golden yellow. This design you can paint on sarees, dresses and tops. You can also frame this and make a home decoration art piece. I have taken purple for the wings of orchid. green for the leaves and stems. Paint this design for sari, borders, dresses and tops. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos and new techniques in painting. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.